Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 65, chapter number 11, Measurement. Dear students, this worksheet will not be submitted on the itself. Here we will solve some examples related to measurement and conversion of units. So here first we make a reference chart, and it is very important to us. When we convert units, one unit to other units, so it is very helpful to us. Now, question number 1, convert the following. Example number A. Here 15 meter convert into centimeter. So here first we check how many centimeter in 1 meter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, because if we take a standard unit meter here, so meter is here and here we move higher to lower unit centimeter. So we move 2 places, mean 10 multiplied by 10 equal to 100 centimeter. And now we multiply 15 meter into 100 centimeter. So when we multiply 15 into 100, we get 1500 centimeter. Now, example number B. Here we convert 0.50 kiloliter into liter. So here first we check how many liters in 1 kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter equal to, if we take a standard unit liter here, so kiloliter is here and it's move 1, 2, 3 places to right hand side, and here we move higher to lower units. So 3 places means 1000 liter. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. After that you multiply 0.50 by 1000 liter. So decimal place is here and it's move 1, 2, 3. 3 places to right hand side, means 1, 2 and increase 1 0 here, 3, means 500 liter. So 0.50 kiloliter into liter, 500 liters. Now example number C. Here we convert 7/10 hectogram into centigram. So here first we check how many centigram in 1 hectogram. So 1 hectogram equal to, here we take standard unit gram. Hectogram is here and here we move 1, 2, 3, 4 places to right hand side. 4 places mean 10,000 centigram. Now we multiply 7/10 by 10,000 centigram. Here 0 cancel out by 0 and here 7 into 1000 centigram. 7 multiplied by 7000 centigram. So when you multiply 7 by 1000, we get 7000 centigram. So when we convert 7/10 hectogram into centigram, we get 7000 centigram. Now example number D. 415.7 millimeter into decimeter. So how many decimeter in 1 millimeter? So 1 millimeter equal to, millimeter is here and decimeter is here. If we take standard unit meter, so millimeter is here and decimeter is here. So we move 2 places to left hand side, means lower to higher units. So we write 1 upon 100, 2 places mean, and smaller to higher, 1 upon 100 decimeter. So here 415.7 divided by 100 decimeter. So decimal place is here and denominator having 2 zeros, and divide in decimal, it's move 2 places to left hand side, means decimal move shift from here to here, and we write 4.157 decimeter. Here the next question, put a decimal point to make each statement reasonable. Example number A, the capacity of a water bottle is about 1000 milliliter, and here we find the answer in liter. So the capacity of a water bottle is about 100 milliliter, convert into liter. So if we convert 1000 milliliter to liter, so 1 milliliter equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So here we divide 1000 milliliter by 1000 liter. 1000 cancel out by 1000 in one's time, so we get 1 liter. We also write and we put decimal before 1000 before 3 zeros and write liter, 1.000 liter. Now the next example, example number B. Weight of a toffee is about 50 decagram, and here we find answer in gram and we put decimal also. So here we convert 50 decagram into gram. So 1 decagram equal to, decagram is here and here we take standard unit gram. Decagram is here and gram is here. It moves one's place to the right hand side, so we write 1 upon 10 gram. Now we divide 50 decagram upon 10. 0 cancel out by 0 and we get 5 gram. And we also write 5.0 gram. Another method, when we use decimal. So decimal place is here and denominator having 1 0. So it's move one's place to left hand side and decimal shift from here to here, and we write 5.0 gram. So here we write 5.0 gram. Now the next example, estimate the following. Now example number A, capacity of a refrigerator. What is the capacity of a refrigerator and what is the estimate measurement unit? The capacity of a refrigerator, the estimated measure of capacity of a refrigerator is liter. Now next, mass of a pen. So like, what is the mass of this pen? It's a very lighter. Mass of the pen in milligram. Now the next example, example number C, mass of a cricket ball. So what is the mass of the cricket ball? This is a cricket ball and it is a small mass. So the mass of a cricket ball is measured by gram. The next example, example number D, distance of a train trip. The estimated unit of distance of train trip is, it is a long length or distances, so we use kilometers. Now the next example, measure the given line segment and find how many 15 centimeter needed to measure. So here first we find the length of this line segment AB. So AB line segment. So here this is a 15 centimeter scale and this is 30 centimeter scale. So now we use this 15 centimeter scale to find how many centimeter is this. 15 centimeter, we mark one point here, plus 7.5. Now the length from here to this point is 15 centimeter and from this point to this point 7.5 centimeter. So the total distance equal to 22.5 centimeter. So here the length of a line segment AB equal to 22.5 centimeter. Now how many 15 centimeter needed to measure? So here we need 1.5 15 centimeter needed to measure the line segment. Now using this method we find the length of different things. I also give question related to this method, but there you will use 30 centimeter scale to find the length of height. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Like question number 4 is your activity based question. Here find your height in centimeter by using 30 centimeter scale and write how many 30 centimeter need to measure your height. In the example we use 15 centimeter scale, but here we use 30 centimeter scale to find your height. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.